기술 라이프의 신곡 헤이 헤이
어디 너만이 흔들어놔 내게 그 노래를 불러놔 나
Seoul at night is not what you expect. This isn't just a city that sleeps late. This is a city that comes alive after dark. Neon lights, music echoing through the streets, performers turning sidewalks into stages. And right here, in Hongdae, you're about to experience one of the most electric nightlife scenes in the world. But here's the thing. This isn't just a walk. This is pure atmosphere, real street energy, and the kind of moments you can't plan. Stay till the end, is because the vibe only gets crazier from here. This is Tripin, where we don't chase highlights, we uncover what's hiding in plain sight. Where travel isn't just about places, but about the feeling a place leaves behind. So if you enjoy discovering the real side of cities, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell, and let's explore together. Right now, we're stepping into the heart of Hongdae. This area is known for its youthful energy, surrounded by universities, artists, and performers. And the moment you walk in, you can feel it. The rhythm of music from every direction. Street performers drawing crowds out of nowhere. Every corner feels alive. Hongdae isn't polished, it's raw, expressive, and unpredictable. And that's exactly what makes it special. there's one thing Hongdae is famous for, it's this: street performances. From K-pop dance crews to solo artists with nothing but a speaker and passion, this is where talent meets opportunity. Some of these performers are chasing dreams bigger than this street. And for a few minutes, you become part of their journey. If you're enjoying this walk through Seoul, drop a like and tell us in the comments which city you want us to explore next. We might just take you there. Step away from the crowd, and Hongdae changes. The noise fades. The lights get softer. And suddenly, it feels almost personal. These hidden alleys tell a different story. A quieter side of the same city, where every frame feels like a movie scene. Walking through Seoul at night feels like drifting through a living story. Every step reveals something new. A quiet cafe glowing in the corner, a group of friends laughing under neon lights, or a lone musician filling the air with soft melodies. Or it's a city that doesn't rush you. It invites you to slow down, look around, and just exist in the moment. There's something strangely comforting about wandering these streets without a destination. The cool night air, the distant hum of traffic, and the endless rhythm of footsteps around you, it all blends into a feeling that's hard to describe. In Seoul, even getting lost feels like part of the experience. Like the city is guiding you exactly where you need to be.
안녕하세요. 어서 오십니다. 저는 양주에서 온 현입니다. 좋습니다. 우리 저는 첫 번째 곡은 너무나 준비되었습니다. 금방에서 좋습니다. 네.
Seoul at night isn't just about what you see, it's about what you feel. The energy, the freedom, the sense that anything can happen. And maybe that's why places like Hongdae stay with you, long after you've left. If you enjoyed this journey through Seoul, don't forget to subscribe to Tripin and hit the bell for more immersive travel experiences. Until the next destination, keep exploring.